What's up, folks? Welcome to PowerDrift. Now, did you know we bought 14,690 of electric vehicles, which is 3 times the electric vehicles we bought only, say, one single year ago.
Wow, now they are catching on faster than I thought they would.
I'm glad you have noticed. Have you noticed that? And by the way, there's another fact to be noticed. When we talk about EVs, we don't talk enough about EV tires. Precisely, for one, you get instant torque right from the get-go. The tires have to handle that. Then there's the regenerative braking, so the tires will be more stressed.
But we also need them to be...
Yeah, we need them to be quiet. The EV tires have to be quiet. The CEAT EnergyDrive tires are quiet. Welcome then to Launch Alert, another Launch Alert by PowerDrift, by Vipul, by myself. Say hello here, however, to CEAT EnergyDrive tires. CEAT says they are designed specifically for EVs. We agree, because he's been out on an energy drive in the Nexon EV. Well, that for later. Well, I say the fuzzy circuit shape design is rather cool.
And you see, with EVs, you don't get a noisy drivetrain. It's an odd experience.
No noise, and then lots of speed. So it's all no noise and speed until the first few minutes, because right after that, you may be found complaining to yourself about tire noise. CEAT happens to, of course, know this, and so they have a tech. The tech is called Sleek Groove.
Air pumping happens when air gets in your tread grooves and starts pushing them outwards because the tire is already pushing it downwards. The passage of air creates the noise. Sleek Groove, it restricts block movement, lowering the air pumping and hence lowering the noise as well.
There will still be, however, some grooves and some air pump. There will be, right?
Yes, you are right. There will be some air pump, and CEAT has thought about that as well. The groove widths, they have been kept variable, which means there are less chances of resonance and eventually less noise as well.
The next step is to better the insulating material in your tires.
Welcome to Contra Air Wall technology.
And it's for the first time a tire company is bringing this sort of a technology to India. I quite like that.
Felt and foam came together from the composite that makes your snores seem louder in an electric car.
Your snores.
And the name CEAT gave it is very cool too. It's called Calm Tire.
Calm tire.
Calm Tire.
Calm tire. What a feature. So no other tire is as calm as this tire.
In a way, yes. Imagine if we had a sound barrier between us. I mean, I wouldn't be able to hear you through that. Because what felt and foam do is that they absorb noise before it emanates from the tire. So while the sound is created, like your snores, it doesn't really reach me. And that is genius.
The word genius doesn't sound right coming from your mouth. Here's a fun fact instead. We all know humans cannot hear, by the way, low frequency sounds, yeah? But our eardrums will still resonate to such waves. So you're not hearing the sound, the noise, but you're actually getting tired by it.
Exposed to them long enough, you start feeling fatigue.
It should rather bring us to the most important part of the tire's duties, driving. So CEAT have used HP filler technology in the EnergyDrive tires. Yes, that happens to be one more mouthful of a name, but that's not the name of the tires. EnergyDrive is. But here's the point. The low abrasion, low resistance material used to build these tires not only improves your fuel economy, because that's what the whole of the country wants, but also makes the ride quieter.
There is so much tech in here. EVs will pretty soon feel like driving libraries around.
Libraries in which I appreciate silence.
Then every time you floor the pedal, would it leave some rubber behind like how you do when you drive away in your Supra?
I thought you'd never ask a smart question, by the way. Because yes, when you go on the gas in an EV, no, not gas in an EV. When you go on the throttle in an EV, well, the tires are going to come under immense pressure, and then you leave that what enthusiasts call black lines. And it's quite a pleasurable activity, by the way. But in case you want long life for your tires, well, then the DuraBlock technology from CEAT EnergyDrives, that one comes into play here, making sure the EnergyDrives can handle the extra torque every time. It is 6% stiffer than the regular tires. I know that because I know that. And it is aided by high contact tread and eye block resistors. I'm still speaking English. All of this, I think, might probably make the tires run a little longer, but for that, we need to get our hands on them soon.
I've learned a lot about EV tires today. Yeah, I did. And that is thanks to CEAT and no thanks to him.
You know what? I've learned a lot about EV tires today thanks to CEAT and thanks to me. It's a world of technology and engineering. And both technology and engineering is going to be that which we, in the sense not us, but mankind is going to have to put into developing tires of the future, because well, EV is the future. And 2 thumbs up here for CEAT Energy Drives to be pioneering it all, making us all proud.
2 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up now, yeah.